How to play TEMU games. So to play TEMU games in this is really easy thing to do because it's maximize the experience and potential rewards. Usually the games are targeted to give you some coupon codes, so you can use those coupon codes to buy some of the products on TEMU, right? So there's a basic rule: familiarize yourself with the specific rules and regulation for each game on TEMU, right? Each game has a unique eligibility criteria in terms of service that you must follow. So create a TEMU account, check game availability, explore the available games, as there are so many games available. Many games requires in-game currency or token to play. Right? For example, if you play Farmland or this water game here, you need to collect water by completing tasks. Accumulating these resources will allow you to continue playing and increase the chances of winning, right? And the next one is which I shown you: spin the wheel, and in a lucky draw you will get it. For example, usually every time I get it $100, right? The algorithm is trained in a such a way that it will give me $100, and I can apply this $100 coupon bundle to buy products, right? So this is how you can do. So thanks for watching this video.